Is your keyboard on Windows not unlocking suddenly after locking it? Then make sure to keep watching on this video as we will discuss the troubleshooting methods to try if you cannot unlock it successfully. Now, depending on the manufacturer, different keyboards require different keys for unlocking and locking. Now, you can check if you're using the right combination by heading over to the manufacturer's official website and looking for the keyboard combinations there. Now, another fix that worked for users was enabling the on-screen keyboard by searching for it, then pressing the Windows key and the letter L all together. Now, if using the right key combination did not work for you, then the issue can be related both to your keyboard and system. It is also common for such issues to arise if the keys you're trying to use are broken or if there is something physically wrong with the keyboard. So, the best way to test if this is the issue is by first cleaning the keyboard and replacing its batteries. Now, if replacing the batteries does not work either, then try connecting the keyboard to another computer. Lastly, update keyboard drivers by opening Device Manager, open Keyboards, right-click on your current keyboard, then select Update Driver, and search automatically for drivers. And those are the possible ways on how to fix your keyboard not unlocking on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.